And remember, down below, there's links down below to my cookbook, my other book, my apps, the Bible and food. There's my affiliate links, Buy Me Coffee, Square, which is like PayPal, and the merch store, Anastasia Amazon, and my Amazon wish list. So don't forget to check those links down below. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. I thought I'd take y'all on a different, it's a garden tour, but I thought I'd start somewhere different. So, let's see here. Clean smudges off. So this is the trees in the front, and the little things are growing around here. I don't know if that's the tree growing or what those are, but they've been left alone. Maybe some little bugs and all. Nothing like what's been going on over here. See, something got my flower. Thought it was something to eat. Or, see, that right there. This is my plastic flower. Alright, well, I'll bring it in. I'll bring it around the other way, and we'll see. But I wanted to show y'all what's been going on. Alright, so this is the tree right here growing. So that could be all the trees. It could be cottonwood tree. So this has been left alone. That's my bells of Ireland. That's grass. And here's my other bells of Ireland, which actually have bloom. And this has, I'm telling you, little thorns on it. So if anything touches it, you go to grab it, you're going to get pricked. So that didn't grow as tall as I thought it would grow, but I did fertilize it the other day, so it actually has bloomed. I cut this burdock root back a lot because my flower there was not getting sun. And I have flowers over here that wasn't getting sun. But I want to show y'all what's been going on. Alright. So, yeah, I'm not happy. Something or someone's been cutting these down. My alums are getting ready to bloom. These are going to be so pretty. I didn't think they would. But, yeah, because you can see on that one, that's been cut. That was cut. So these are all starting to bloom. This, I hope, is my evening primrose. Alright. So you see that right there? Those are all standing up straight. The only way for that to happen is someone to step on them. Yeah, not no animal. So this was really huge, and it's been, so I'm going to zoom in on this so we can see if we can focus on what actually happened. So it still looks like, oh, there's a spider web. It's been cut. Oh, there goes my cane. Alright. But this has little bells of our bells coming up too. Right there. Oh, Lordy. Alright. So over here there was a whole bunch. Now that one was huge. I'll insert a picture and show you all the difference. Same with all these. People said a rabbit, but the rabbits didn't bother these last year. So here's more bells right there. So, trying to get this. So, yeah, I moved this around on this the other day. Give me a moment. Oh, I'm not trying to hurt you. I had it in the middle of There. In the middle like that. So now this right here, I think that's either in my primrose or the mullein, and then the daffodils all got squashed because of this huge thing. So we got lots of things still growing. I've got bells of Ireland back here that's not been messed with, and this would either be, I don't know, I have to do a plant app and see what that is, what it's growing. You can see something right there. But I had my fake flower. That's what's so funny. My fake flower was right here. Actually, that's it right there. And somebody. That's hilarious. Alright, so you zoom back out. I mean, this burdock thing is growing like a tree. I had to cut all the bottom branches off because it was just growing so much. And look at that. I was like, wow. So I trimmed it back. I'm just going to let it grow. So my bells of Ireland, and over here, something got hold of it. My sunflower is doing really well. And there was the iris and the other bulb thing. And then my alums, which was over here. That's being, you know, that's sunflower shading that. So that probably wasn't the best place, but you know, it's still there. So, and then my herbs. Oh, look at this. My cilantro and parsley is growing so well. So I will trim some of this, get some of this tonight. Like I said, there's some little things in here, but that ginger didn't do anything. So that's the front, and we'll go around to the side. I like those little bells, but that thing, it was over by the other iron thing, and it got huge. Also watered it last year and used plant fertilizer, and they finally left the tree alone right there. So that tree is finally growing back. It's like, oh my goodness, the yard people are just nuts. Yeah, if y'all listen and watch much, that's my word, nuts. So, and I don't even worry about over here anymore. I threw all that soil down over here, and whatever was growing, they keep cutting it. So maybe during the fall when they're not out here that much. So they've left us alone, which I'm glad. And so now over here to my planters. Let's see what's going on over here. So this is chickweed. I would probably need to harvest it just to do some things with it. Teresa at Stringfield Woods Farm, she has a foraging playlist about foraging chickweed and all kinds of stuff. So that's good. So planted some sunflowers here with more cilantro, and that's growing really well too. So I'm gonna harvest some of that. So a little bit of thyme that's going up. Now what's in the middle is my stevia. So I will go ahead and I'll pick those flowers, well, a couple of them today, just so that I know. So like I said, the more I harvest, the more it grows. So, and then here, oh my goodness, that's my stevia. So this one is supposed to be Oh, this thing got wet so much. This should be my stevia. And also in that one. Yeah, I'm gonna have to redo these little things so I can tell y'all what it is. But I know that's my my thyme in there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to rewrite those. So then over here, I've got, that's my hyssop. This should be thyme or parsley. Let's see here. Yeah, I'll rewrite it. And that's the asparagus in the middle. So asparagus, hyssop, and probably cilantro. So over here in this one, in the big one, my cucumber, something got hold of that. That was doing really well. So I planted some more, which are coming up right there. This is my sugar snap peas. Then I planted some parsley in there and carrots. So things are sprouting up a little bit. This is my turnips and my Swiss chard. So I will cut these leaves back. This is almost to where it could be harvested. So I'm praying that I have some turnips. Now my sage is doing really well. I gotta cut that again. This is my pepper. And then that right there, that looks like nothing I planted, but we'll see. Plus all these other little things growing up. I hope it's not cottonwood seeds. I'll just pluck them up. So in the back one, we've got carrots. I had to replant my beans. So those are doing really well. Those are the cowpeas or chickpeas. And some other things. Like those little things, I don't know what they are. But the carrots, I'll be so excited. And I think that's okra. I have to look and see. But here is my lemon squash, mung beans. I also planted mung beans, so we shall see. But I know right here in the middle, that's my lemon squash. And since it's been nice and warm, it's been growing. Now, those right there, I replanted. So I'll look up and see what they are. But here are the carrots and the tomato plants. Oh my goodness, I am so excited that the tomatoes are growing. And then I replanted some stuff back here. And now everything is sprouting. So I am super excited. So if y'all have any ideas about what would have, so let's see here. Can we focus this in? No, it's already too much. So let's see here. I will take a picture. Oh, there it goes. So was this actually? I think it's funny that it's a fake flower. The grass people hadn't messed with it, but somebody else did. Look at that. It's been out there for 3 or 4 months now. So, y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. And we'll see you in the video. We'll see you in the video or live. Have a wonderful day.